Hello, friends. This is a budget app that I've created, which I called Stanley RS Budget Tracker, an app that is used to track your income and expenses and show you the balance. And if I run it, you can see I've enclosed it in a nice GUI where you can add your income, your amount, your expense, and the amount, and it will give you the balance. So, for example, let's say your salary is 10,000. You can add income and you can see it gives you a feedback. 12,000. Now you can add expenses: electric, gas. So the balance will be updating depending on whether you add income, or it will decrease depending whether you add expenses. You can also go ahead and delete a specific expense, let's say electric, which I have here. If I delete expense, the balance will update and it will tell me that you've deleted expense electric. So let's go under the hood and see what's behind the code, what's behind this graphic user interface. All right. For starters, I installed the Tinker SDK and also put from there the message box. And you can see the budget tracker encapsulate my code, which is basically built on three main functions. The first function is add income, which you use to add your income, and also you can also, if you can see, you can add your income here. Then it will be appended to the sources of income, which are the two lists that I have here. I've got two lists here. I initialize it as an empty list for sources of income, or expenses as an empty list, and also total income as zero, so that whenever we add income, this zero will be added by the whatever amount of income that we have. And also these two sources of income and expenses will also be added depending on whether we add income or expenses. So my main, that's the add income. The add expenses, do the same thing again. You, after you enter your expenses, it will append the all expense list. Then also you can also delete an expense, and also of course you have to run your code so that everything works together. So I'll put a link to the GitHub repository so that you can have this code and update it the way you want it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.